Assalamu alaikum. If anyone else dare to join, please let them know that the class is started. So everyone inform them that the class is going to be started. So let's start at 7:43. Okay. So until then, please wait. Sorry for making you all wait. If anyone also want to join this opportunity, let's make them join. Okay. Can anyone give me an update that after your exams, what's the first lesson you're starting? In any grade 11s or 10s here? Did you all hear me? After your exams for the third term, what is the first lesson you will be studying? For grade 10 and 11 separately, same. Okay, fine. Whose exam is still going on? Only your study web design use multimedia, which is HTML, right? HTML. Who anyone others who can remember? Please let me know, William. Then let's start the class if as soon as possible you all can say. You all don't know, we can go. Can you please answer soon? Okay, this is the thing. When you all come to me in class, you have to unmute and talk. It's not necessary to unmute and talk. At least you all have to text me through the chat box. Okay, you all have something called chat box. Okay, sometimes my voice might go in the middle. Okay, because I've got cough. Okay, sorry for that. So grade 10, you all can't remember. Grade 10, anyone, you all can't remember, right? Atika and Sarah Hussain. Can I also what's your grade? Grade 11. So for that I got the answer. Grade 10. Atika, what's your grade? Grade 11. Fatima, are you also grade 11? Okay, okay, fine. Shall we start the class? Can you all hear me properly? I hope you all can hear me properly. Right now I'll share my screen. Is my screen visible now? Is it visible? I hope it is. Yes. Okay, today what are we going to learn is we are going to learn word processing. This is the most easiest one. Okay, so easy. This lesson, you all can learn this and get a H marks. Okay, within the letters itself, you can identify what icon is that and everything. So what is the lesson today we are going to learn? It is word processing. So have you all joined my earlier classes? Anyone else? Anyone have joined my earlier classes? If yes, please say yes. Have you all joined my paper classes? So is this the first time? Please let me know as soon as possible. Yes, this is the first time. Okay, so I hope you all are in the group. For first, I will give an introduction of the lesson. Small introduction, not a huge introduction. Just a small introduction about the lesson. Then I will go to the past paper with you all. One paper will be discussed. One paper will be discussed with you all, and the rest will be given to you all to do. Okay, fine, right? Okay, if you all have the textbook, turn to the page 154. Turn to the page 154. We can learn that. Okay, so word processing. Do you all know what is word processing? As you all grade 11, you all might know what is word processing. Anyone who can say me what is word processing? What do you all understand through word processing? Anyone? The, these two people, do you all know? If yes, say me yes. If no, say me no. So I can come to a conclusion. Anyone? Anyone? Both don't know. Grade 11, right? Both don't know, I guess. Right? So first, let's go into the lesson. So when we are going into the lesson, let's get an idea what is word processing. Word processing means, for example, let's keep example and study. I hope I am clear to you all. My voice is clear to you all. Okay. We often use different type of documents day-to-day life. Sometimes we use birthday cards. Sometimes we have anniversary card, wishes, cards, doing cards, projects, and we have so many activities and preparing the document. Preparing any document in a different style. Over a document, over a style. Like if example, let's take you're doing a birthday card. Will you do it in the same pattern? Some will do it in heart shape, some will do it as it is a card, some will do it in circle shape. It is in different style, and the letters will be in different style. Some will paste pictures, some will paste some their photos. So the birthday card won't be same as always. So that document is going to be different in different styles. Oh, sorry, wait a minute, I just forgot to on the recording. On the recording. Sorry, wait a minute. There's a recording. Wait a minute. Write it together. That Gabriel. Please unmute your mic. Please unmute it and talk whenever needed. And keep your mic muted always. So now let's go. Sorry, I forgot to start recording. Okay. So these are done in different manners. So that is called as word processing. So not doing it manually. I'm not saying manually. Our day-to-day activities, our documents, preparing this document in a different style is called as word processing. What is word processing? Preparing the day-to-day activities and preparing this document in different style is called as word processing. So like manually means we are going to write it and wait a minute. We are going to write it and wait. Without writing, we are going to do it electrically. So in order to, like earlier days, we had typewriter. Example, we had typewriter. I hope everyone know what is a typewriter. When you are doing a document in a typewriter, over a letter, I think you all might have heard it in your literature, like this Tamil literature, English literature, you all have studied. In that, you all might know how hard a typewriter is. If you got one mistake, you have to erase the whole thing. So you can't find the letters where it is gone wrong. You can't find any words easily. Ondonda, over words. So typewriter isn't easy like that. So to avoid those shortcomings and all the manual typewriters, so they do not follow all the functions like formatting, saving, formatting, saving, printing. What is the size you need to print? Before printing, how will it come after printing? You can preview it. So all these functions are not available in a typewriter. So is it easy? Don't you all nowadays? If I give you a typewriter, you all get tensed. You will get tense. Even me, I will get tense because we are practiced to this generation. So like that, to avoid all this, the computer is the best machine for such an activity. In that machine, we have a software called word processing software. So there they can provide all the facilities like formatting, saving, printing in required size. Okay, formatting. Formatting means, remember, it is adding attractiveness. Formatting a text, formatting a text, formatting a para or something. Formatting a text in the sense, or text on you're going to format it, you're going to attract it, you're going to add it, decorate it. That is called formatting. Formatting means you're going to decorate it, or you're going to make it attractive is called as formatting. Okay, to save it later, adellame idu the word processing la. First one is creation and editing. Creation and editing. You can create and edit whatever the things you know, and such as insert objects such as images. You can take images from online you can also put the images which is downloaded. Print preview and printing. As I already said you, print பண்ணின போறோம் எப்படி வரும் என்ன மாதிரி ஒரு சைஸ்ல எப்படி அது வரும் என்றத நேரத்தோடயே பார்க்கிறது. pre something pre, like now they are doing like pre shoot, pre wedding shoot, pre birthday are like that. Pre is always முந்தி செய்யறது. So when before printing you see it, it is called as preview. சரியா? Spell checking. Like if you in this you have a thing, like if you search one word, in one point you realize இந்த word இந்த இடத்துல பிழையாகுது, and you then realize இந்த word நான் நிறைய இடத்துல யூஸ் பண்ணினேனே. What you gonna do? You're gonna do the spell checking and the grammar checking. You can give the word and make it correct once. So that is there. So within one word அதை erase பண்ணிட்டு இன்னொரு வேர்ட் கொடுத்து அது ஒரு செகண்ட்ல மாத்துறது, ஒரு செகண்ட்ல அது சரியாக்குறது எல்லாமே இதுல இருக்குது. ஒன்றை ஃபைண்ட் பண்ணி ஒரு வேர்டை டக்குன்னு ஃபைண்ட் பண்ணி அதுல இன்னொரு வேர்டை டக்குன்னு ரீப்ளேஸ் பண்ணி மெயில் மர்ஜ். மெயில் மர்ஜ் இன் த சென்ஸ், மெயில் மர்ஜ் என்றே சென்டிங் டாக்குமெண்ட் ஃபார் மல்டிபிள் பீப்புள் அட் ஒன் டைம். அட் த சேம் டைம் நிறைய பேருக்கு ஒரு டாக்குமெண்ட்டை source document send பண்றேன். That is mail merge. Are you all clear until this? What is word processing? What are the functions in that? Are you all clear until this? Chat box, put it in the chat box. Are you all clear? Rifaqat, you are the one who came earlier, right? Before classes also you came, right, for the database and all? Could you please unmute? Sarah Hussain, did you understand? If you say you understood, then only I will go to the next one. Even this would happen in my other classes also. I mean my theory classes or whatever it is. If you said, anyone who is studying with me, if you said, okay, yes, I understood, then only I will skip. If not, I will stay in that one place. So hurry up, say me if you all understood or not. I had to move to the next one. Okay. Rifaqat, did you understood? Nothing to be difficult. So please unmute your mic and talk, or else chat box. Use chat box. I think that guy is not there in this class. He have kept it on and gone. That's it. Okay. You listen, Sarah. Okay. Several popular word processing now online. Then where did you go? Did you understand what I said? Do you know what I said? Sarah, wait, darling. Forget? What did you forget? Do I need to explain again? What did you forget? Please try to unmute your mic. Please try to unmute your mic and talk. There's another one. Please make it fast. Okay. Okay, do I need to re-explain, darling? You had lagging issues, right? So do I need to explain it again? Or shall I move? Shall I move? Uh, okay, I'm teaching. In the end, I'll teach you all. Okay, word processing software. Now we are coming into the heading. Okay, several popular word processing software are available. Some needed to be purchased and some are open sources. Like when you are buying the lab itself, you will already have, that is open, free open source. FOSS. Free, O is for open, S is for source, another is for software. Okay, so some should be purchased internet. Okay, so like that only you have some softwares and the producers here. For example, RB Word, iWorkPage, uh, Microsoft Office. So many people have it. Word Perfect, there are. Okay, so many people have it. So many people have to buy. So for me, it had to buy. Okay, I had to purchase it. Okay, so user can create document using internet as well. If the computer does not have a word processing software, for this user can use a cloud computing. For this, if he didn't have, what he can use? He can use a cloud computing. What he can use? He can use a cloud computing. So what is the problems, like advantages of having a cloud computing? Advantages of having a cloud computing is the user does not have no, they don't need to install the word processing software on the computer, and they do not have to allocate space for the software separate, and they need and to save the document, internet itself provided facilities for this, so that what they are connecting this. Do you understand? So no need of hard disk spaces. Okay. So and this is the disadvantage too, that the user cannot open or edit the document from any computer which has internet facility. Can open only if there is internet. So that's the disadvantage. That's a small disadvantage. If I could, could you please unmute now? Because I'm teaching only you. Then you have to say it's understandable or not. Or are you there?
Yes, I'm there.
So did you understand the first part?
Yes.
Okay. So I'm going, if you have any doubt when I'm going through, you can tell. Okay? Okay. The last one ikitane adu or advantage then it is a big disadvantage too. Okay? Okay. Now we are going to run a Microsoft. Okay. So in this there are so many things. So இதுவரை படிக்கணும்னு அவசியமும் இல்லை, வேண்டும் அவசியமும் இல்லை, but if you study it's better. Okay, you call this quick access to. டக்குன்னு access பண்ற மாதிரி வேலைகள் எல்லாம் அதுல தான் read, undo, save அதெல்லாம் எங்கேக்கு அதுல இருக்கு. சரியா? From this to this you call it a ribbon. What you call it? Ribbon, where file, home, insert, pages, layout, everything are connected. That is called as tabs. அதெல்லாம் பிரிஞ்சு பிரிஞ்சு தான் இருக்கும். If you see, one is file, one is home, one is insert, one is page layout, everything are there. So that is called as tabs. And then this, from tabs to the bottom part, you call it a ribbon. From the tabs to the ribbon part, you call it, from the tabs to the bottom part, you call it a ribbon. Okay, these are called as tabs. Okay, Here you have something, a small mini thing which you called as dialog box launcher. Dialog box launcher. Okay, and this is title bar. Title bar in the sense, நீங்க இப்ப எந்த டாக்குமெண்ட்டை திறந்திக்கிறீங்க என்றதை காட்டுறது தான் இந்த title bar. So, Sumasari, you have edited a document and you want to edit it now. Again, if you open it, you can see what is the document you have opened. That's what it is called as title bar. And then this is called as scroll. You can scroll like this. Here also we have this scroll bar. Okay, and this is called as the browse button. This is zoom control. If you can make the higher zoom, and here you can make it low. And the V button, this is called as status bar. Okay, so let's go for the ribbon. Okay, before going to title, let's go for the ribbon. So as I said you, what is title bar? What is title bar? What is title bar? So in this title bar, there's another thing where you see minimize, close, and restore button. So we can go to this and see. Okay. So can you all name it? What is this called as? Rifakat, what is this called as? File, home, insert, draw, design, all this. What is this called as? What is that? Do you still have the lagging issues? What is that called as? Don't know?
Edit buttons.
Huh? No, I'm not. You're not clear, Dali. Can you tell it again? Huh?
What is the question?
This you have right file, home, insert, draw. So what is this called as? This whole part. What is this called as? File, home, insert. இதெல்லாம் உண்டு உண்டா இப்ப ஃபைல் வச்சா அது என்ன அது உண்டு என்ன பேர் சொல்லி கூப்பிடுவாங்க. Then see, right? What is this? Do you know? Do you know? Can I remember? Don't know? I don't know. No one else said no. Okay. So let's learn again. File. This is a tab. But this is called as tab. Repeat after me. Unmute. You said you don't know, right? Unmute. Okay. So what is this called as? Now what is this called as? You all might know, right? What is this called as? Now I said you, right? What's the word? That means tabs. Do you know? T-A-B-S. Tabs. Say it with me. Tab, tab. Now, okay? This is the word.
Okay,
Are you okay now?
please.
Okay. What is this now? What is this?
Tabs.
Tabs. Okay. From this file to this, what we called as, if you don't know, say don't know. What is that called as? From this file to this. It is called as ribbon. What is that called as? Ribbon. What is that? This word is called as ribbon. Okay, from this to this, it is ribbon. So, as I said you all earlier, this is the dialog box launcher. What is this? Dialog box launcher. And you have the title bar here. Okay, then you have the title bar here. Okay, this is the dialog box launcher. Okay, and you can see the view scroll bar. What is this? Scroll bar. You can scroll it down. You see, it's going up. That is scroll bar. In this, you have the zoom. Zoom in, zoom out. Zoom in, zoom out. You can see it is getting zoomed and it's getting zoom out. Okay. Okay, what is this? As I said to you, it is the weave button. How should you weave? You should weave it in 2 pages or you should weave it in 1 page. So that is weave button. Okay, and this is called as the status bar. That is status bar. Okay, and in this ribbon we are going to study something. So these are the font formattings, like text formattings. Text look. So this is Calibri body. You can see something like this now. So if you tap this drop down menu, you have the types of, like I'll show you, types of font. In the madri font or designs of the fonts. Okay, that is this. And here you have the size of the font. You can see, right? It's going higher and it is decreasing, increasing, decreasing. You can keep what is the size you want. And here you have is the bold. It became bold. Did you see it? It became bold. And italic. Italic means it will go something sarinjavakla pori. Other than italic. And this is underline. You can see what is happening, right? This is underline. And this is strike through. Or letter elidi and the letter melala line undu pona, that is strike through. And this is subscript and superscript. Where do you use this? Is first, second, and you write the one and you write the S and T in the topper part. Then you can use this superscript. And subscript you can use like this also. Something the same is subscript. Sub, remember, it is a down. So after main heading, if you write something, another heading, you call it sub. So remember it like that. And this one, what is this? Increase in the size of font. And this is when you decrease in the size of font. This drop down menu font increase panon, decrease panon medilla. You can go like this also, a easy way. And you have the cases. Sentence case. Sentence case is where only your first letter is going to become capital. In this, Lowercase, simple. Uppercase, whole word is going to be capital. Capitalize each word means each word the first letter capital out. Toggle case, capital simple. Capital simple. அப்படி வரும். Wordல first simple மத்தெல்லாமே capital. Wordல first letter simple மத்தெல்லாம் capital. That is toggle case. Paragraphs, note down the icons because this is what they ask in your O-level question. Okay, this is bullets where you take like this, take notes, and if you go down there will be another bullet. So then you use the bullet down menu. So then bullet claim you have, this is bullet, square bullet, ipidiki, in the bullet key, in the bullet key, you can change this. Okay, and this one is ordered list and unordered list. Okay, ordered list is 1, 2, 3. It is in an order. So we call it ordered list. Okay, and we have unordered list. Okay, these are the unordered list. Alignments, these are the main thing. Alignments. What is this? If it is something where you will have a line here, if you draw a line here, okay, if you draw a line here, it should be shaped. Then it is the right alignment. Then if you keep your sentence here, idula nera kinda it is left alignment, center alignment, and justify. This is justify, and this is your center alignment, right alignment, left alignment. Left alignment, the left side will be in the straight shape. The right alignment, right side will be in the straight shape. And the centerla first sentence will be in a long form, and the second sentence will be in a short form. And the justify, all will be in the same form. Right and left will be in the straight form. That is center alignment. This is bucket fill. Paints. Okay. Theme colors you can choose. Borders. Highlight. Okay. Highlight it. Borders. You can choose borders and everything. And what is this? Headers. Style. All other title. Okay, these are some headers. Okay, fine. So far I've taught you everything, I guess. Okay, first one bullet, second one italic, third one underline, this is underline, fourth one subscript, which is down, and the fifth one superscript, which is in the top. Sixth one is, where is that? Sorry, this one. This one is font color. What is this? Font color. What is the color your font should be? You can see the font is changing its color, right? Changing its color. You can see. So that is font color. Seventh one, these are alignment. All these are called as alignment. Remember the alignment ways. Okay, they won't ask this, but they will ask in which alignment sometimes. Okay, see then, if in the right side, if it is in a straight way, then it is sorry, not this one, this one. In the right side, if it is in the straight line manner, it is right alignment. In the left side, if it is in the straight line manner, it is the left alignment, center alignment, and this is justify. Okay, so eighth one is line spacing. Eppadi ungoda line spacing equal. If you write another line under this, adukkum idukkum evalo gap equal endada than line spacing. So look, this is shading. What do you call this? Shading. You have to shade this. That is shading. You can see the changes happening. 10th one, this one. 10th one is border. What is this? Border. 11th one, what is this? 11th one is sort. What is this? Sort. Wait a minute. Okay. Now the 12. What is the 12th one? Do you think? Indentations. The bullet indentation, numberings, unordered order. Okay. Then cases. 15. Which one I said you? Cases. Changing lowercase, uppercase, and all. This one. That is changing the case. Lowercase, uppercase, toggle case, everything. You can change when it is a paragraph, when you are using a paragraph. 16th one, what are you going to do? You are going to grow your font. Like, so using these drop down buttons, you can see. And the 17th one, what is the 17th one? Is font sizes. It's also font sizes. And the 18th one is the font name. We are coming in a reverse. இந்த மாதிரி font உண்டு ஓணுமென்றதை இது சொல்லு. சரியா? Are you clear with this? எந்தெந்த icon என்னென்னத்துக்கு யூஸ் ஆகுதுன்னு விளங்கிச்சா? Are you clear? So shall we move on directly to the past paper?
Okay.
Then you were listening, right? All this time. Good boy. Wait a minute. Okay. So there's another one more thing. Orientations. Orientations, you know, portrait and landscape, right? In your phone, have you seen in your phone? Portrait and landscape. Landscape is, remember, laptop. Laptop side madri kireta landscape. Portrait, remember, it is your phone. If you keep your phone, how will it be? And if you keep your lap, how will it be? That is landscape. Balangicha. ஒரு print on எடுக்கல எப்படி அந்த மாதிரி. Ifak, do you understand what is portrait and landscape? I think you know it.
Yes. When carrying the phone.
Okay. Okay. So, can you say me some icons for text formatting? Easy, huh? Can you say? Sorry. Can you say? Don't know? Okay, Rifakat. What did you say in the chat box? Yes, in the sense for what? Yes. Do you know or not? I'm moving. Seeing this chat box is the biggest one. You don't know? Then what were you studying all this time? What is this? These are the icons of font. I asked this. Did you get an idea now? Unmute. Unmute and talk. Did you get idea now?
Can't hear.
But can't hear. Then all this time weren't you
Let me
listening?
listen.
You weren't listening.
Little bit.
Little. Okay, what did you listen?
Little bit lagging.
Okay. Slagging, right? So can we go on with the questions? Do you have the
Okay.
past paper?
No.
No? No? Okay, from your second paper, 2019, clear? 2019, sixth question, 2022, sixth question, 2029, fifth question, 2020, also sixth. Can you write it down? 19.
Okay.
Coming from 2023 past paper. Soon go and download the paper. Okay, here's it. Soon go and download the paper. Did you download? Okay, is my screen displayed to you? Is it visible? Question I took down. There should be more questions. Do you have the paper? Is it visible? Then we can go through this. We can go with my paper. Okay. Is my screen visible to you? Ammar? Yes. So are you trying the questions? So in 2019, in my paper, there is no question. Okay, there is not any questions, something related to that. So let's go with this. Okay, try this question. This is a question, try it. Wait, I'll share the screen. Are you doing the question? Are you doing the question? Amber? Okay. Once you're done, let me know. Yeah, only that. Only this. Okay, done. I'll say the answers you correct. Okay? This is the year of this paper. Okay. They are asking 1 and 2. Okay, sorry. Mahavali River. Mahavali River is 1, 2, 3. This river, it has drainage basin of 1,400 km. Okay, third one. Which is the largest in the country, which covers almost 1/5 of total area. Source. And for the fourth one, what was your answer? Fourth one. Number 4. What is the label you gave? What is the number you gave? Yes, it's correct. It's B, yes. Number 4, it's B. Correct. Okay, for number 3. Number 3. Number 3, it's U. Correct. Number 2, it's number 2. Number 2 is S. That's wrong. See Mahavali River nicely. Number 2 is P. Number 2 is P. Then what is number 1? Correct it out. Say me once you're done. Say me once you're done. Okay. For 1 and 2, P and S both can be come. P and S both can come. 1 and 2, both P and S both can come. Number 3 is U. Number 4 is P. So I think all correct. Okay. All correct. So this is a new icon you learned today. What is it? Hyperlinks. When you got HTTP, something like this, you get hyperlinks. Okay. All right now. So for this, let me say you the marks. For first one, you can choose the questions, right? Out of that only, this is also coming. The first one will be compulsory. This one, in this, 5 questions only, including the first question, and 4 others. So the first question carries 20 marks. This one. Okay. Of the other questions carries each carries 10 marks. This carries 20 marks. I think you will get 2 marks. Okay. So are you clear? Shall we end the meeting?